Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to animate a widget across different screens using the hero animations. I've already got it set up. It's actually a pretty simple implementation. I'm going to run through the code with you. You'll be provided with a GitHub link where you can check out all the source code from every video plus this one as well. And what you to do is essentially implement it yourself. This is like sort of like a task video. So we've got to the stage in this series where I think you'll be very knowledgeable by now, and I want to throw a few of these tasks at you. So this is what we get so far. So I click on it. As you can see, it doesn't open up a new page necessarily and then display it. It basically just animates it. And what we got the main screen, which we got a scaffold, we got a gesture detector on it. Then in there we have a child, and this is important. We need a hero. Then we have what we want. So in this case, it's a image we gave from the network, like network image. Where you get it from, local networks, that don't really matter. And when you push it, you have to do navigate to push context material page root builder underscore. Then we don't do the actual next page. You return detail screen, which is this right here, which has says return scaffold. We have a gesture detector. We position the hero, the image network, but when you tap it, it'll basically pops that off. And the hero app, which is basically initially called, that just invokes the main screen. So it's pretty simple if you've been following along so far in this series, but as you can see, it is ridiculously effective. You can't do it on the outside. That's the test that I want you to do as well. Implement it. So if you click on the outside, it goes back. So this is a great way. Maybe you're on a social media post. You only show the image, maybe a couple of lines of text. You click on this, it opens it up without it sort of going to a whole nother page. You can see what's on there. Then you can go back to the main screen. So that's basically how you animate widgets across screens using the hero animation. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.